If you're thinking about getting the KOMHOW R1390 DTF printer, here's the quick, honest review after looking at what it offers. For around $1,100 to $1,300, this is actually a solid entry-level DTF setup, especially since most bundles include the curing oven, powder, and film, so you're pretty much ready to start printing. The biggest win here is the built-in white ink circulation system. If you know DTF, you know white ink clogging is usually the biggest headache, and this helps reduce that problem a lot. Print quality is also impressive. Sharp detail, vibrant colors, and really solid wash durability once your transfers are cured properly. And the profit margins? Pretty good. You're looking at roughly 70 cents per shirt, which makes this a strong option for small custom apparel businesses. But here's the catch. This is not plug and play. There's a learning curve with RIP software, powdering and curing. It's also not fast, about 6 minutes for an A4 print. And if you skip maintenance for too long, that print head can clog fast. So here's the verdict. If you're serious about starting a shirt business or side hustle and printing regularly, it's absolutely worth it. But if you're only making a few shirts here and there, honestly, just outsource your transfers instead.